Which statement accurately describes the DSM-5's definition of ASD? A. It includes varying levels of severity from mild to severe. B. It emphasizes deficits in social communication and interaction. C. It focuses mainly on intelligence levels rather than behavior. Or D. It attributes autism primarily to environmental causes. So when we refer to the DSM-5, DSM-5 is the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders. Ano kaya dito yung statement na talagang nagde-describe sa ASD? Yan, actually, tumpak na tumpak sa letter B. It emphasizes deficits in social communication. Ito talaga ang pinaka-tinatamaan kapag merong ASD ang bata. Yung social communication nila and interaction. Okay? So, pag sinabi kasi nating pag sa ASD, kasama na dyan yung mga restricted and repetitive behaviors nila or interest. So, hindi naman siya nakatuon primarily sa IQ, which is pinofocus dito sa letter C. So, nope. Yan kasama. Hindi rin purely sa environmental causes. Okay? And kahit na merong severity levels, yung sa ASD, pero hindi pa rin yan yung pinaka-main focus nung description ng DSM-5 for ASD. Okay? So, it's still letter B.